early cataracts, there's eye drops you can get over the counter. Just about any pharmacy has them. I've found them in a lot of pharmacies. It's eye drops called Can-C. It's CAN-C. So Can-C eye drops have carnosine in them, which is actually amino acid coupled. And it dissolves early cataracts. If you wait too long, don't expect you're gonna, if you have 70% block, cataract cloud, it's not gonna clear up your eyeballs. But I've had it where it's prevented people from progressing, and they've even regressed a little bit. So they do work. I've seen it work. So as long as you catch it early. So if you see your eye doctor and he says, yeah, you have 20%, or she says, you have 20% cataracts. Let's wait until they're 50%, and then we'll replace them with plastic lenses. And then you don't say anything. You just secretly go over to the pharmacy and get the Can-C eye drops and start using them daily.